To set up photo as a watch face on the Apple Watch, you have to start by opening Watch application on your iPhone and now go to the Face gallery. Over here, you have to search for photos. And right now, pick this one that fits your preferences. In my case, I would like to get, for example, this one. Now we have to click to choose photos. And now we can choose up to 24 photos that we will be able to actually change by making swipe to the left or the right side gesture on the device. So let's say that I want to get, for example, this photo and maybe this one. Now we have to click on this icon in the right upper corner, and after a few moments you can actually find some changes. As you can see here, we can find that watch face. You can still customize it up to your preferences. As you can see here, we can find a lot of options. There we go. And right now you have to click on the add button. After a few moments, we can find it on our device. Just wait for it. If it is not here, we'll have to click and hold on the watch face and now search for it over here. Well, let's go back to the watch faces. Okay, now as you can see, it's here. It's some kind of the delay, but you have to be patient and take a look. As you can see now, if I'm gonna swipe to the left or the right side, I can find the different photos. And that's basically how you can set any photo on your Apple Watch by using your iPhone and your gallery. So I hope you find it useful.